Okay, we were at a live showing of 4108 East Stanford Drive. 1958 built, just under 3,000 square feet, 4 bed, 3 bath. Obviously, the main thing you'll notice is on Stanford, which is both the challenge, but it also creates the opportunity because we know that price would differ. It's asking $1 million right now. Just from the outside here, roof looks like it's in really good shape. Stucco's in good shape, dual pane windows. And off to the side here is how you access the garage. Drive down to a detached 2-car garage down there. Oh, and I already checked the electrical service. Yes, I'm wearing plastic gloves here. Electrical service looks like it was updated in 2007. It's served by 2 air conditioning units built in 2007 and 2004. So let's go inside and take a look here. So the lot here is about 13,000 square feet too, just above actually. So walking in, there is some road noise. You may hear it as we go through. You enter to the first living room here. And then that leads you into the dining room, into the kitchen, like the Peninsula Island combo. All Electrolux appliances, uniform, stainless steel, electric, exterior hood top there. Big old refrigerator freezer combo. Is this maybe a plate warmer? What is that? Yeah, it's like a plate warmer possibly. And of course a pantry right here. So the bedrooms are going to be behind us. We're going to walk this way over to an office and a secondary living room. That was like a wood-burning fireplace. I don't see any gas on the home. So you can see doors to the exterior through the laundry room, which is right here, the living space here, and then here is a little office, which also has a door to the exterior. Of course, ceiling fans in all the rooms. All right, let's check out this laundry room. Nothing in, no appliances. Looks like, oh, it is gas. Okay, so you have a gas connection right here. And then a gas water heater. There we go. Also, if you wanted to change the cooktop to gas, you could. All right, walking back through, one more look at this space. The kitchen doesn't necessarily open up to the living room, but who knows if that can be changed or not. So walking down, all bedrooms on this side. We're going to, guest bathroom with 2 sinks, tub, shower. Noticing some stuff here with the tile work, needing some work. So not perfect, not flawless. 2 coat closets right here on each side. We'll check out the master first, as we pass a guest and a bathroom and bedroom. So that is a queen bed. Got about 5 feet here and about 6 feet there. There we go. A door to the outside again, into the master bathroom. So separate tub, separate shower, 2 sinks, separate toilet room right here. A walk-in closet, of course. Hard to get a feel for that by the phone, I know, but it's decent size. Looks like about 12 feet by 6 feet. All right, checking out the other guest bathrooms, and we'll head outside and wrap it up. 1 guest bathroom has a shower. 0 grade shower, I always like those. Wall to ceiling tile. Guest bedroom number 1. Yeah, decent size. Looks like about 12 by 12 here. Dual pane windows, of course, everywhere. which is a must, just for sound alone, if you're gonna be on Stanford. And then 2 more guest bedrooms right here. Obviously nothing too exciting, it's a guest bedroom, but decent. This one's big. This is probably 15 by, I don't know, 15 by 12, 15 by 13 at least. Little walk-in. This is a good size room. And then the other one. Another good size room here. Those look about 15 by 10, 15 by 12. All right, let's head outside through the living room. All right, cool. One more walk through the kitchen. And we'll come out here, go out this door. Pool's a north-facing backyard. Some mountains over there. That's the Phoenix Mountains, past Tawa Peak. Enter the garage right there. Pool. One thing I'm noticing here, it faces north, so you're not going to get that mean sun, but this is open, screened, but probably wouldn't hurt to get some actual coverage there. And then also, you could create a covered path from the garage, which is right here. And this is a standard 2-car with some storage capabilities. Nothing fancy, it feels like a garage. And then over here real quick, there's the upgraded electrical panel. Garage entry. Air conditioners are right over here. That's where I verify the age. And there's a driveway coming in off the street. And then last thing will be the pool. Little coverage there. Nice sized pool. Pebble sheen, looks like decent shape. Debris more than anything. I'm not seeing really any wear. Water feature slide and a hot tub. And of course our friend, Camelback Mountain, and there's the monk right there. There's a praying monk right there. So decent view from the hot tub in this area. And of course you got a lounge fireplace right here. That is gas as well, that fireplace there. So another look at the yard from here. And there you have it, 4108 East Stanford.